Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video, this is a continuation of the last one I did using a 1/4 pound of the Costco Organic Ground Beef. This week's recipe is going to be a wonderful meatball pizza, all using this small amount of hamburger. Now, I made some garlic-infused olive oil, and that is very important in this recipe. And this recipe is truly inspired by the most amazing pizza restaurant that you've ever been to. And it's in Anchorage, Alaska, which is actually 350 miles away from here. And I always love it, and they actually discontinued it. And I keep thinking about it. I thought, you know what? I am going to make it for my cooking family. So come on with me in this video and let's get started. This garlic-infused olive oil was so easy to make. You just let it barely simmer for like 20 minutes and then turn the stove off and just let it set for another half hour. And then I kind of smashed the garlic and strained it through this sieve here. And there you go. Beautiful. Now I added all those ingredients and I'm just stirring them all into the 1/4 pound of ground beef. As you can see, I got all these meatballs made with the 1/4 pound of the Costco Organic Ground Beef. And I made them with this little 1/2 tablespoon. And I molded each one and rolled them and placed them on parchment paper. And now we're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees. Okay, got the meatballs in the oven at 350 degrees. I only have to let them cook 8 to 10 minutes because later they will continue cooking when they're on top of the pizza. A couple more ideas would be, if you don't have time to make pizza dough, is to use this great flatbread pizza crust that I found, or you can use pita bread or naan bread or even French bread. Okay, I am putting together the pizzas now. I have 2 this size. We have family coming over, and so one of them I'm going to be adding lots of toppings to, and the other one more minimal with just the meatballs and cheese and sauce. Now we made the garlic-infused olive oil, and now what else is perfect on this pizza is this fresh basil, which we have plenty of out here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick a few. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video, making the meatball parmesan pizza with the Costco Organic Ground Beef, only using a 1/4 pound. So please, if you made it to the end of the video, leave me a comment, pizza, and let me know what your favorite kind is. Until next time, happy cooking, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, part 3.